Hi, this is Peter from OpenBOM. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the viewer in OpenBOM design projects. So you can view preview files using the Autodesk viewer. So to do this, you can actually use a trial to test this setup and get keys for this section. So you go into settings and Autodesk viewer. And here you're going to need to create, get the client ID and the secret from the APS from Autodesk. So APS stands for, you can jump to their website, stands for Autodesk Platform Services, was formerly called Forge. You can go into APS dot autodesk.com, sign up for free, get an account, and start a trial. So you can go into your account name, start a trial. On the trial, you ask the normal information, email, um, and then once you do that, you can go into applications and create a new application for you. Create a new web application, traditional app, give it any name. And then all you need to do is copy paste the credentials, like the client ID, copy paste them to here, and then copy the secret and copy here. So you can just enable it, and you will be uh, able to use the Autodesk viewer. So once you have done that, the next time you use the Workspace Manager to synchronize files, it will start to generate the 3D files, so the 3D previews. So it will not preview existing files. You have to synchronize. Once you have done that, you're going to see an extra column show up called Autodesk Viewer, and then you can preview the file. So you can actually see that extra column. And from here, you can start previewing. You can see this in full screen. You can change the background, change a lot of settings that you can do to change some of these views. I'll show you some of them. So you can change the environment to something a bit cooler or less cooler. So you can just change it to suit your needs and enable this for users. So this works very well for simple models or larger models. Something like a slightly bigger assembly on a different industry. Maybe let's work into more bit into defense, and we can see like a larger. You can see it loads pretty fast. You can control also some settings like perspective. So if you want to change a bit, one of the few things there, you can obviously do that. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. So if you have any questions, email us at support at openbom.com. Thank you.